Hello, my friend. This is Jack. Today, we want to show you about our feed pellet machine. The model is TCF400. This machine, the motor power is 37 kilowatt, and the output of this machine capacity is 2 to 3 tons per hour. This is the inside connection between the reducer and the motor. We will show you how it works. This is the oil pipe motor, lubricating the shaft automatically with oil system. For this feed pellet machine, we are using the upgraded structure, the helical ruler. You can see the difference. The helical ruler can reduce the resistance and improve the power utilization. Compared with the flat ruler, this structure can achieve higher capacity. We will show you how the ruler. Okay, this is our feed pellet machine works. If you are interested, contact with us freely.